I just built an Alex Hormozi AI business coach in probably about 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to set it up inside of your business in less than 2 minutes. So the AI business coach is trained on all 3 of his books, the $100 million offers, leads, and money models. It uses his exact tone and voice and asks his type of questions in his style. If you're stuck on your offer, your ads aren't working, you don't know what to charge, your content's not landing, you can just ask your Hormozi AI business coach, basically. He will always diagnose the problem, run the math, and hand you a direct 48-hour action plan that is super blunt, super specific, which I love. It's no like fluff or gassing you up on everything that you say, and it doesn't say things like it depends. So here we go. Here's how to set it up. So the first thing you need to do is jump inside of our community, school.com/send, SEND. We currently have a 7-day free trial. So if you want to jump in, grab all the content that you need and leave, that's completely fine. I don't really care, to be honest. But if you find yourself finding more value inside of the community, then great, stay. So in the classroom, we have got the Building Your Grand Slam offer section in here. We've got loads of different things, but in here we've got the Alex Hormozi AI Business Coach. So all we need to do is download the zip file below, then go into Claude.ai, click into projects, and you want to start a new project in the top right-hand corner here. Go ahead and name it Alex Hormozi Business Coach and add in whatever description you want, doesn't really matter. In the instructions section, in that zip file that I've just shown you how to download, you want to copy and paste all of the information that are in the instructions doc that look exactly like this, and then upload all of the ND files that are in this with Alex Hormozi's voice, his money models books, his coaching questions, his offers books, and the leads book as well. Once you've done that, go ahead and click New Chat and ensure that you add to projects. So you want to go Alex Hormozi Business Coach and go ahead and ask him whatever you want. For example, I'm going to say, what is the value equation and how can my offer be improved? And here we go. He's going to spit out the value equation and go ahead and give me some very direct, not sugar-coated feedback and whatever I kind of need to hear. So there we go. That all looks pretty good so far. And it's going to ask you a little bit of information about your business and what you do and that type of thing to get more context at the very start. But once you give it all of that information, any question that you ask it in future will be spot on, perfect, and in Alex Hormozi's voice. So hope you enjoy and let me know how you go.